outside of anywhere near Zampui Hill traditional boundary areas. We are requesting this to our government of Tripura repeatedly so many times, and we are expecting that the government will do its best, come to its senses and fulfill our request. Because fulfillment of this request of ours, that the Mizoram Bruce be settled outside of the subdivision, is good for the three communities. It's good for the Mizo community of Zampui Hill, it's good for the non-tribal community within Kanchanpur subdivision, and it's good for the Bru community themselves. Because that separation, keeping distance itself is a deterrent, or is a deterrent to avoid future conflict.